and this is H810M. Click to here. Then click to support. Select your operating system which is using. If you are using Windows 10, so download, select Windows 10 and install the driver and download, because installations process same Windows 10 and 11. Okay, if driver is different, so but installations process same. So LAN driver, click to download here. Okay, when you click here, it automatically start downloading. Then you can see here downloaded. I and double click to AKXC. Then click to yes. Then it is done and closed.